English for academic success. Dive into EAP. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are delving into a topic that is vital for students, researchers, and academicians worldwide. English for academic purposes, often abbreviated as EAP. This will equip you with the language skills needed to excel in the academic world. EAP is a branch of ESL, English as a Second Language, focused on equipping learners with the specific English skills needed for academic study. This is not just about mastering the language but also understanding academic conventions and nuances that are often used in universities, research papers, and conferences. 1. Globalization. English has become the lingua franca of academia. Most international conferences, publications, and collaborations are conducted in English. 2. Higher education. For non-native speakers intending to study in English-speaking countries, EAP is essential. It's often a requirement to showcase proficiency in academic English through tests like IELTS or TOEFL. 3. Research and publication. To publish in renowned journals or present research, clarity and precision in English is crucial. 1. Academic vocabulary. This isn't just big words but understanding terms that frequently appear in academic contexts. For instance, hypothesis, literature review, or methodology. 2. Writing skills. This includes understanding the structure of essays, research papers, thesis writing, and proper citation methods. 3. Listening and speaking. For lectures, seminars, and presentations. It's about understanding and participating actively. 4. Reading and comprehension. This skill helps in understanding dense academic texts, journals, and articles. 1. Engage with authentic materials. Read academic articles, journals, and books related to your field. 2. Participate in seminars, workshops. It's a practical way to enhance your listening and speaking skills. 3. Write regularly. Start with summaries of what you read and progress to essays. Seek feedback. 4. Join academic discussion groups. Engaging in debates and discussions will hone your language skills in real-time situations. Mastering English for academic purposes is more than just learning the language. It's about immersing oneself in the academic culture, understanding its nuances, and expressing ideas with clarity and precision. We hope this video sheds light on the importance of EAP and provides you with a roadmap to academic success. Until next time, happy learning!